Hello, if you wonder what is the activation lock on your Apple Watch Series 10. So basically it's a security feature. It's like designed to prevent an unauthorized access to our Apple Watch. And it basically automatically activates when we enable the Find My on our Apple Watch. And you can for sure do this by going into the Find My application. But if your Apple Watch is lost or stolen, activation lock makes it like difficult for someone else to use, or for example set up the watch without our Apple ID and the password. So when someone actually tries to unpair the watch or set it up as new, they will need to input our original Apple ID that was actually used when we set up this device for the first time. The Apple ID and the password for sure. And also this feature helps to protect our personal data and ensures that only we can access our watch and its information. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.